We are starting with the chapter of definite integrals. Okay, so let's go to exercise 16a, chapter 16, page number 5, question number 1, sub question 1. Integration of pi by 2 to pi by 4 to pi by 2. I'll explain all this, don't worry. Cot x dx. Okay, now this is called as lower limit. This is called as lower limit, and this is called as upper limit. Lower limit and upper limit. So these are definite integrals. There is no plus c. The solution will not have plus c in the final answer. Now integration of cot x. If you remember the formula, the integration of cot x is log modulus sin x. The integration of cot x is log modulus sin x. Okay, we are not going to write plus c. So this is the formula. So this particular part is based on indef 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's put a box. There is no plus c, but then we'll put a box. Lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit and upper limit. So this is equal to box minus box. Box minus box. Okay. Now within the box bracket, we are having a function of x because it is log sin x. There is x term. It is a function of x. So in place of x, we are first going to put the upper limit in place of x, upper limit, and then in place of x, the lower limit. Okay, upper limit and lower limit modulus is there, right? First always upper limit and then only the lower limit. First always the upper limit and then only the lower limit. Minus sign in between. It cannot be box plus box. It has to be box minus box. Now you can use a calculator. Sin 90, pi by 2 is 90. So sin 90 is 1 and sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay. So this is going to be log of modulus of 1, log of modulus of 1 minus log of modulus of 1 by root. Okay. Now log 1 we all know it is 0 minus log, this is 2 raised to minus half. Okay. 2 raised to minus half because this is root 2. Root 2 is 2 raised to half. It goes in the numerator, it becomes 2 raised to minus half. So minus log 2 raised to minus half. Now log a raised to b is equal to b log a. So this minus half will come ahead. So minus into minus is plus, which is equal to half log, which is equal to half log. So this is the first form. Question number 1. Question number 1, sub question 2. Question number 1, sub question 2. Integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3, pi by 6 to pi by 3, dx upon sine 2x. Now, as per the simplification rules, we are going to take sine 2x in the numerator. Sine 2x in the numerator. Sine 2x is going in the numerator, it is becoming cosec 2x dx. Cosec 2x dx. Now integration of cosec x. Integration of cosec x is log mod cosec x minus cot x. So this is going to be log mod cosec 2x minus cot 2x upon d by dx of 2x. Upon d by dx of 2x is due to the chain rule. You can also directly write 2 because when you compare this with cosec x formula, x is replaced with 2x, and 2x is LAT, linear algebraic term. Okay, so chain rule will come. There is no plus c. There is no plus c. So we are going to write a lower limit which is pi by 6. Generally, lower limit is the lower value and upper limit is the higher value. It's not a fixed criteria. You can also have upper limit as the lower value. Okay, right? So this is the thing. So this is log modulus cosec 2x minus cot 2x upon 2. Log modulus cosec 2x minus cot 2x upon 2. The lower limit is pi by 6. The upper limit is pi by 3. Okay. Now once the simplification is done within the box bracket, we are going to do box minus box. Box minus box. Okay. So this is 2 and this is 2. Okay. This 2 will remain same. In the first box, we are going to write this function of x, but then this x will get replaced with the upper limit. So it is going to be log modulus cosec 2 into pi by 3. Put x ka value as pi by 3, that is the upper limit. So 2 into 60, that is 120, minus cot 120. Cot 120, okay. And in the second bracket, log cosec 2 into pi by 6. Second time you are going to put the value of x as the lower limit, which is pi by 6. Okay. So 2 into pi by 6 is pi by 3. So log modulus cosec 60 minus cot 60. Cosec 60 minus cot 60. Okay. I believe everybody understood this. Put all the brackets in place. Right. Now what is sine 120 as per your calculator? What is sine 120 as per the calculator? Come on. What is sine 120 as per the calculator? What is sine 120? Come on, tell me guys. Sine 120. Be quick. Anyone? It is root 3 by 2. So cosec 120 will be 2 by root 3. Cosec 120 will be 2 by root 3. Tan 120. Tan 120. What is tan 120? Tan 120 is minus root 3. So cot 120 will be minus 1 upon root. Okay. Minus cosec 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is 2 by root 3. Cot 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So cot 60 is 1 by root. Okay. And I took this 2 as the common denominator. Okay. So this is 2 plus 1 upon root 3, that is 3 by root 3, and this is 1 by root 3. Okay. 3 by root 3 and 1 by root 3. Fine. So log 3 by root 3 minus log 1 by root 3 upon 2. Log a minus log b is log a divided by b. Log a divided by b. I hope everybody knows this. Okay, we can put modulus over here because log never takes negative values. So log 2 upon 2. That is what I am getting. Okay. I think this should be 3. Sorry. Okay. Log 3 upon 2. Okay. Now textbook people have taken this as half, and this half they are taking it over here. 3 raised to half, and 3 raised to half is root. But then you can stop it over here. You can stop it over here. Not a compulsion to simplify this forward further. Okay. You can write log 3 upon. That was your question number 1. Sub question 2. Let us proceed with the next problem. That is question number 1. Sub question 3. Okay. Question number 1. Sub question 3. Integration 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. 2 sec square x 2 sec square x plus x cube plus 2 dx. Okay, right? So now individual integration, because there is a plus sign in between. So this is equal to 2 tan x. Sec square x integration is tan x. X cube integration is x raised to 4 upon 4. And integration of 2 is 2x. Are you aware of this? This does not require any knowledge of definite integrals. Integration. Do you have any doubts in this? Please tell me. Is this part clear? Okay. So box 0 to pi by 4. 0 is the lower limit. Pi by 4 is the upper limit. There is no plus c in definite integrals. Now this is going to be box minus box. So 2 tan, wherever there is x, wherever there is x, you are going to first put the upper limit and then minus. Wherever there is x, you are going to put x as the lower limit, which is 0. So 2 tan pi by 4 plus pi by 4 the whole raised to 4 upon 4 plus 2 into pi by 4 plus 2 into pi by 4. Okay. Then 2 tan 0, 0 raised to 4 upon 4 plus 2 into 0. Okay. This entire bracket will turn out to be 0. Do you agree with me? The second entire bracket will turn out to be 0. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Okay. Now here tan pi by 4, tan 45, which is 1. So 2 into 1 plus pi raised to 4 upon 4 raised to 5 plus pi by 2. Okay. This is 4 raised to 4. That will go down in the denominator. Already there is one 4 down in the denominator. So 4 raised to 4 into 4 is 4 raised to 5. You can calculate this value using the calculator. And this should be your final answer. 1024. Okay. Question number 1, sub question 4. Question number 1, sub question 4. Integration 0 to pi sine square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx. Okay. Now cos square x minus sine square x is equal to cos 2x. Half angle formula. So first I'm going to reverse this. I'll reverse this by taking a minus sign common, which is sent outside. So this is cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. So first I reversed this. I took a minus sign outside. Okay. So cos x square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2 is equal to cos. What is the angle? What is the angle? The angle is x. The angle is x. Okay. So what is the value of this? The value of this becomes cos x. So minus cos x. 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Okay. So minus integration of cos x is sin x. You all know this. 0 to pi. Now simplification is done. There is no plus c over here. Now we will do box minus box. Box minus box. But then this minus sign will come down over here, and since this minus sign is coming down over here, you'll have to place this bracket. You'll have to place this bracket. Usage of brackets is very important, otherwise silly mistakes will occur in this chapter. So sine, replace x with the upper limit and then replace x with the lower limit. Sine pi minus sine 0. Sine 0 is 0 and sine 180 is also 0, and hence the final answer is 0. Pi is 180. If you don't know the value of one sine 180, you always have a calculator. Okay, so the final answer is 0 over here. Question number 2, sub question 1. Question number 2, sub question 1. Integration 0 to 1 dx upon 2x minus 3. So this is 0 to 1, 1 upon 2x minus 3. I'll compare this with 1 upon x. So when I compare this with 1 upon x, who is x? X is 2x minus 3. And 2x minus 3, if it is x, it has to be LAT. Is it LAT, linear algebraic term? The answer is yes. So the answer over here will be log mod 2x minus 3 upon d by dx of 2x minus 3, which is 2. Chain rule part comes down. So this is box minus box. Log mod 2 into 1 minus 3 upon 2. 2 into 2 minus 3 upon 2. Okay, 2 into 0 minus 3. Sorry, upper limit and lower limit. Lower limit is 0. Correct. So this is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1, and modulus of minus 1 is 1. So log 1 minus 0 minus 3 is minus 3, and modulus of minus 3 is 3. Log 3 upon 2. Next step, you can just write log 1 as 0 and complete the answer. This part is 0. So the answer is minus log 3 upon 2. Minus log 3 upon 2. Minus log 3 upon 2. Okay. 2 sub question 2 is for self study. Let's go to 3 sub question 1. 3 sub question 1. Cos square 3x. In def 1. Whenever there is sine square or cos square, the first step that we do is multiply and divide by 2. The rules remain same. Multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Now 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x, half angle formula. So 2 cos square 3x is equal to 1 plus cos. 1 plus cos. Anyone? 6x. Okay. Half angle formula over here. 0 to pi by 4. 1 plus cos 6x dx. Integration of 1 is x, and integration of cos 6x is sine 6x upon 6. So half x plus sine 6x upon 6. 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Now I am going to do box minus box. Curly bracket. Pi by 4 plus sine 6 pi by 4. 6 pi by 4 upon 6. 0 sine 6 into 0 upon 6. What is this value? The value of the second box bracket is 0 because this is sine 0. 6 into 0 is 0, sine 0 is 0. So the entire second bracket is 0. This is 3 by 2. Okay. Sine 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is sine 270. Sine 270 is minus 1. Okay. Sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. You can verify this using a calculator. Sine 270. Now multiply that half inside. Pi by 8 minus 1 by 12. Pi by 8 minus 1 by 12. Any feedback? Have you understood this? Okay. Next problem. Question number 3, sub question 2. Integration 0 to pi by 4 tan square x. Revision of in def 1. Tan square, cot square. We do not have any formula. Use identity first. First use fundamental identity. Sec square x is tan x and integration of 1 is x. 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. This is box minus box. Box minus box. Tan pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Tan 0 minus 0. What is the value of the second bracket? What is the value of the second bracket? The value of the second bracket is 0. And remember one thing, the second bracket is not going to be always 0. Don't be under the notion that it is going to be 0 always. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So this is 1 minus pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So this is going to be 1 minus pi by 4. Question number 3, sub question 3. Integration. Pi by 3, pi by 4, tan x plus cot x raised to 2 dx. Squaring a plus b the whole square. Tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 tan x cot x. Pi by 3, pi by 4. What is tan x into cot x? What is tan x into cot x? This is 1 pi by 3 pi by 4. Tan square x, sec square x minus 1. Cot square x, cos x square x minus 1. Plus 2, because 2 into 1 is 2. Write all steps, leave one line. Now this minus 1 is minus 2 and plus 2 is gone. Minus 1 and plus 2 is gone. Integration of sec square x is what? Tan x. It's a direct formula. Integration of cos x square x is what? Minus cos x. So this is going to be tan x minus cot x dx. Tan x minus cot x dx. Lower limit is pi by 3, upper limit is pi by 4. Pi by 3 and pi by 4. Tan x is log mod sec x. Cot x is log mod sin x. Pi by 3 and pi by 4. There is no plus c. And these are direct integration formulae. Now before we put the upper limit and lower limit, we can modify this further. Log a minus log b, log a upon b, log a upon b. Pi by 4 and pi by 3. Now if you take sec x as 1 upon cos x, that cos will go down in the denominator, nothing will happen. So keep it as it is. So keep it as it is. Okay. Just a second, I think I made an error. Uh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh. So this is tan x minus cot x. Sorry. So this was a mistake. I had to turn the page. So by mistake, I wrote the integration twice. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So tan x minus cot x, I integrated it. By mistake, I put a integration sign over here. So this is going to be box bracket. Okay. Pi by 3 and pi by 4. Box minus box. Box minus box. Tan pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4. In the first box, put x as the upper limit. In the second box, put x as the lower limit. X as the upper limit, x as the lower limit. What is the value of the first bracket? Can someone tell me? 0. The value of the first bracket is 0. Tan 60 root 3. Cot 60 1 by root 3. So this is 1 by root 3 minus root 3. Take the negative sign inside, the terms will get reversed. Okay. So this is minus 2 by root 3. Is this clear, guys? Question number 3, sub question 4. Integration 0 to pi dx 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x in the numerator, in the denominator. We have done this earlier. 1 plus sin x in the denominator. Multiply and divide with its rational. 1 plus sin or 1 minus sin in the denominator. 1 multiply and divide with the conjugate. So 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin square x. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. 1 plus sin, 1 minus sin in the denominator, take the conjugate. So what is 1 minus sin square x? 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Okay. Dx. 1 minus sin x upon cos square x. Can someone suggest what should be done? Because this was already completed in def 1. Tell me. Spill it. 1 upon cos square x minus sin x upon cos square x. Split. So this is sec square x. Now this is sine upon cos square or cos upon sine square. We should write the square term down 2 times. Square term down 2 times. Sec square x is tan x minus sec x tan x. Sec x tan x. Because cos will go up and sine upon cos is tan. What is the integration of tan x? It is log mod sec x minus integration of sec x tan x. Anyone? Integration of sec x tan x. We have a direct formula for this. Integration of sec x tan x is sec x. Okay. 0 to pi. Box minus box. Box minus box. Log sec pi minus sec pi log sec 0 minus sec 0. Now cos 180 is minus 1, so sec 180 is also minus 1. Log modulus minus 1 minus minus 1. Cos 0 is 1. So sec 0 is also 1. So this is log 1 because modulus of minus 1 is 1 plus 1 minus log 1 plus 1. I am opening the brackets. Modulus of minus 1 is 1. The answer is 2 because log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. Because log 1 is 0. Next problem 3 sub question 5. 3 sub question 5. 0 to pi by 4. Sine 3x, sine 2x. So whenever it is sine, cos, sine, cos. Multiply and divide with 2. This was taught to you in the chapter of INDEF 1. 2 sin A, sin B. Defactorization formula. So the defactorization formula says 2 sin A, sin B is what? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B minus cos A plus B. Individual integration. Cos x will become sin x. Cos x will become sin x. And cos phi x is sin phi x upon phi. 0 to by 4. Half curly bracket box minus box. Put the value of x as pi by 4 in the first box, and in the second box put the value of x as 0. What is the value of the entire second bracket? It is 0. Sine 45 1 by root 2. Sine 5 into 45. What is 5 into 45? 225. So what is sine 225? Sine 225. Using a calculator, you are supposed to tell me. minus 1 by root. Correct. Minus 1 by root. Okay. What is the LCM? Pi root 2. LCM is pi root 2. So this one will be multiplied with 5 plus 1. That is 6 upon 10 root 2. That is 3 upon 5 root. 3 upon 5 root 2. Question number 3, sub question 6. I'll just give you the hint. You can solve it at home. Integration of 0 to pi by 4, 1 minus sine 2x dx. So 0 to pi by 4 direct formula you can apply, 1 minus sine 2x, that is cos x minus sine x the whole square dx. So 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus sine x dx. Now you can solve this further because you know the integration. So cos x is sine x and sine x is minus cos x. So this is going to be sine x. Sin x is minus cos x. So minus minus is plus 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Upper limit minus lower limit, box minus box. You can do that on your own. So that is the end of the session 1 on definite integrals. Okay. Thank you. Bye.